Rebound by Cherry.
Jump.
Belocora shot. Easy 2 points on Belocora. Magaraya inbound the ball. Pass to the floor. Same ball.
Boys!
Dolor rebound the ball. Pass to Magaraya. Pass to Zumzum. Fake. Dribbling the ball. Arasisa the bar. Steal on Anchores. Anchores pass to Pareja. Aliu pass on Belocora. No good rebound. Bust the bar. Shot. No good rebound. Shot. Easy 2 points.
Wala si Botog. Pagod.
Pinagdat ata.
Dolor.
Ay ito, gising lang ako eh.
Backfield ball. Anchores inbound the ball. Pass to Pareja. Pareja now setting a play. Pass to Saldivar. Pass to Belocora. No good. Easy on Dolor. Anchores. Ready the ball. Pumping for 3. No good. Rebound by Saldivar. Shot. Easy on Saldivar. 6-4. Magaraya inbound the ball. Pass to Dolor. Pass to Tumtum. Pump. Shot. Rebound by Almalrines. Rebound by Pareja. Shot. Air ball.
Hindi, swimming pa.
Belocora. Pass to Pareja. Back to Belocora. Shot. No good. Rebound by Almalrines. Easy 2 points on Almalrines.
Tatamad ka na.
Dum pass to Dolor. Dolor dribbling the ball. Still on Saldivar. No good. Rebound by Dum. Shot. No good. Rebound by Belocora. Aliu pass on Saldivar. Dolor. Deadlock. Anchores inbound the ball. Pass to Pareja. He slides in the middle. Still on Dolor. Shot is in. Change favor. Pareja. Pass to Belocora. Pass to Anchores. Foul on Macaraya. Back kay Dolor. First personal foul. First team foul. Hussein. Macaraya inbound the ball. Pass to Dolor. Pass to Almalrines. Pass to Macaraya. Isamar. Copalomo. Ball. Then ball. 6 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Saldivar. Still on Dolor. Shot. No good. Rebound by Dum. No good. Rebound by Belocora. Shot. No good. Rebound by Macaraya. Macaraya dribbling the ball. Pass to Dum. Shot. No good. Rebound by Dum again. Pass to Almalrines. Pass to Macaraya. No good. Rebound by Dum again. Spin move. Problem. And rebound by Belocora. Pass to Anchores. Pump. Layup shot. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Shot. No good. Rebound by Almalrines. Fake. Shot. Foul on Belocora. Belocora first. Pareja. Pumping for 3. No good. Rebound by Havuli.
Wala si Alvin.
Hindi ka kakayanin talaga.
Pareja. Pumping for 3. Airball. Aseo. Pass to Havuli. Foul on Belocora. Belocora saying personal foul. Second team foul. Favor of Santa Gita. Belocora pass to Saldivar. Shot. Wide open shot. Easy 2 points. Haboli. Foul move. Rebound by Almalrines. To Aseo. Pass to Aseo. Hit by Dinosa. Santa Gita ball. Crossover. Aliu pass. Saved by Almarines. Dinosa, Black, Rosario. Haboli. Steve. No good, rebound by Unok. Dinosa, shot. No good. Rebound by Aseo. 2 points para Aseo. Score ay 22-13 in favor of Sampaguita. Lumalayo na ang Kalamangan. Dinosa, pass to Saldivar. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Almarines. Pass to Haboli, out of bounds.
Go, Woody! Kevin. Sa likod niya, Woody na.
No good. Rebound by Aseo. Aseo pass to Aseo. Rebound by Belocora. Belocora shot. No good. Rebound by Aseo. Aseo pass to Almarines. Crossover. Still move. It's in. 11 na. Belocora. Dribbling. Belocora. Pass to Dinosa. Shot.
Nice one!
No good. Rebound by Aseo. Easy 2 points. Haboli shot. No good. Rebound by Belocora. Easy 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 7. Pareha 2 points. 4. 2. 1. Haboli tiniran 3. Airball. Score ay Dungdong pass to Macaraya. Macaraya shot. No good. Rebound by Belocora. 2 points. Dolor. Pass to Dungdong. Dungdong. Dumag. Naghahanap ng pakasama pass to Haboli. Haboli shot. No good. Rebound by Pareha. Pareha. Pareha step back shot. No good. Rebound by Saldivar. No good again. Rebound by Haboli. 2 points para Haboli. Anchora shot. It's in. 2 points. Macaraya inbound the ball. Pass to Dolor. Dolor crossover. Pass to Dungdong. Shot. It's in.
Uy, stop mo na yan. Mabilis lang yan.
Score ay 23-32 in favor of Sampaguita. Belocora. Belocora. Dribbling. Belocora shot. No good. Rebound by Maria. Pass to steal by Dolor. Pass to Macaraya shot. No good. Rebound by Haboli. Rebound ni Dolor. Foul. Anchores. First personal foul. First team foul.
Stop mo yan.
Macaraya dribbling. Macaraya pass to Dungdong. Dungdong. Hinaharas ni Pareha. Gumamit ang screen. Umikot. Shot. It's in. Anchones. Traveling violation. Dolor. Pass to Haboli. Haboli. Power move. Haboli ulit. Pass to Dungdong. Easy 2 points. Score ay 25-36. Lamang pa rin ang Sampaguita. Saldivar wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Haboli. Wala na rebound ni Dungdong. Dungdong. Nagano pa sa pass to Macaraya. 3 seconds violation. Sampaguita ball. Ay top build. Belocora pass to Pareha. Pareha drumay sa gitna. Pass to Saldivar shot. No good. Rebound by Macaraya. Nilabas, tinira. Wala. Rebound by Saldivar. Nakuha ni Dolor. Dolor. No good. Kanya ulit. It's in. Ito receive the ball. Pass to Pareha. Pareha pass to Belocora. Belocora. Belocora dribbling, gumamit ng screen. Pass to Pareha. Wide open. Shot. It's good. Score ay 27 third first. Dumdum tumira ng Tres. Rebound by Dolor. Dolor. Donald. Pass to Dumdum. Back to Dolor. Rebound by Belocora. Belocora. Shot. 2 points. 38-29 in favor of Sampaguita. Dumdum. Nagawag ng papasahan. Pass to Haboli. Drop pass to Macaraya. Shot. No good. Rebound by Belocora. Belocora shot. Foul. Who's foul? Dolor. Pass to Dumdum. Back to Dolor. Dolor wide. Pass to Macaraya. Bitawad. Double dribble. Airball.
Volleyball ah.
Kaya to Dumdum. Dumdum. Pass to Haboli. Haboli shot. It's in. Pareha to Dinosa. Dinosa. Wala rebound by Macaraya. Macaraya pass to. Out of bounds. Tank bill ball.
Kuha G.
Belocora wide open. Shot. No good. Rebound by Dumdum. Easy 2 points.
Kaya ako lumalabas, sila malaki.
Pareha. No good. Rebound by Dinosa. Dinosa shot. Wala. Rebound by Dolor. Adog. Dinosa pass to Pareha. Pareha tumira ng Torres. No good. Rebound by Dinosa. 2 points para kay Belocora. Ang score ay 42-31 in favor of Sampaguita. Haboli. Druel sa kaliwa. Pass to Dolor. Dolor. Outbound. Pareha inbound the ball. Pass to Belocora. Belocora. Pass to Pareha. Tumira ng Torres. No good. Rebound by Belocora. Belocora shot. No good. Rebound by Pareha. Pareha. Steal by Macaraya. Steal by Pareha. Dinosa shot. Wala. Rebound by Antores. Antores shot. No good. Rebound by Belocora. Belocora. It's good. Meron na tayo 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Haboli. Foul. Antores. Substitution. Antores second personal foul. Third team foul.
Substitutoy. Easy.
Dolor. Pass to Haboli. Easy 2 points.
Ayaw pinapasok yun eh.
Dinosa pass to Pareha. Pareha gumamit ng screen. Pass to Saldivar. Shot.
Uy oh.
It's in.
Ano naman si Jerry?
Macaraya pass to Dolor.
Rick, may video yun Rick.
Dolor sa kita. Steal by Belocora. No good rebound by Saldivar. Wala pa rin. Naribang ni Dolor. Pass to Dumdum. Wide open. No good. Rebound by Saldivar. Saldivar. Shot. No good. Rebound by. Follow up shot by Belocora. 44-37 in favor of Sampaguita. Haboli pulls and move. Scrambling. Tangbil total ball. Pareha to Belocora. Pass to Dinosa. Shot. No good. Rebound by Dumdum. Dumdum. Bully ball. Belocora. Crossover. Belocora. Dumald. Shot. No good. No good again. Rebound na ulit. Dumdum. Pass to Dolor. Dolor. Floater. No good. Rebound by Macaraya. Shot. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Dolor. It's in.
na.
48-37 in favor of Sampaguita.
Uy! So,
Traveling. Substitution. Score ay 48-37 in favor of Sampaguita. Meron na tayo 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Dolor. Dolor. Nag-crossover. Hit by Bilocora. Pass to Dugdog. Wide open 3. No good. Govas versus Village. Tinatawagan na. Remember Macaraya. Macaraya. Trumide. Shorty. Remember Yinosa. Nakuha ni Almarines. Almarines pass to Dolor. Dolor. Floater. It's good. Time out. Sampaguita. Bilocora. Tuwege. Shot. It's good. Score ay 39-50. In your goal of Sampaguita. Dolor taking his time. 3 minutes exactly. Aseo shot. Air ball. Saved by Macaraya. Foul. Almarines. First personal foul. First big foul. Bilocora shot. No good. Rebound by Paraya. Paraya pass to Saldivar. No good kanya ulit. Saldivar. Foul. Aseo. First personal foul. First. Second team foul.
Rick, videoan ko Rick, ha?
First throw. No good.
Sinabi mo kasi.
Last throw.
Kuhayan ko nga.
It's in.
Bumawi.
Sambu na lang ang lawan ng Sampaguita. 50-40. Dolor pass to Almarines. To Macaraya. Macaraya shot. No good. Rebound by Black by Acero. To Saldivar. Saldivar shot. Follow up shot by Bilocora. Walo na lang. Dolor. Taking his shot. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Almarines. Almarines umikot. Almarines fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Trap pass to Acero. Back to Dolor. To Almarines. Traveling. Traveling total goal. To Paraya. Paraya shot. No good. Rebound by Almarines.
Ay, labas.
No good. Kanya ulit. No good again. Double dribble. Dinosa, inbound the ball. Pass to Bilocora. No good. Rebound by Almarines. Almarines to Macaraya. Shot. It's good. Dinosa. Dinosa, Drumad. Foul. Countered.
Oh, ganun, oh.
Nice.
Dolor.
Galit.
Second personal foul. Third team foul.
JC Dibe.
Rebound by Bilocora to Dinosa. Shot. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Dolor pass to Macaraya. Wide open. No good. Rebound by Bilocora. Shot. It's in using the glass. Score 82-46. Meron na lang tayo isang minuto at
Screen.
15 seconds to shoot. Hinaras ni Dinosa si Dolor. Rebound by Bilocora. Steal by Macaraya. Takbin Toto. Ball. 50 seconds remaining. Dinosa. Drumay sa gitna. Foul. Makaraya.
GP Joji.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First throw. No good. Last throw. Ready to jump. It's in. Hinaras ni Vinosa. Dolor pass to Almarines. Almarines. Ginagamit ang oras. 15 seconds to shoot. Almarines going on the screen. Speed move, 10 seconds to shoot. No good driven by Takbil goal. Pass to Pareha. Pass to Belocora using the glass. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Sampaguita. 52, 49, meron na time, 22 seconds. Foul. Denosa, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both teams are warning. Foul. Pareha. Two out of two. Denosa pass to tumira ng tres. Boom. Dalawa na lang ang lamang. Foul Belocora. Warning for graduate. Penalty. No good. Last throw. Ready to jump. Dalawa na lang lamang ng Sampaguita. 54-52. It's in. 12 seconds remaining. Denosa pass to Pareha. To Santibar. To Denosa. Shot. Ilalim.
Kopa lang. Okay lang. Tira!
Game ball. Next game. Sampaguita ay ano. D-Lane versus Goba.